Good morning, students, and Assalamu alaikum. Today we'll learn some of the applications of linear equations. Exercise 1.6, problem number 2 to 6. In these questions, I'll make you understand till the formation of these linear equations in the solution. Rest of the process is the same. If you find any difficulty, you can go through my last two videos. Get the better use of this technology. Once you can't able to understand any of the point, you can scroll the bar forward or backward. And moreover, I have already uploaded the complete solution for this exercise in my Google Drive, and I also sent you a link for that. Now quickly moving on to this problem number 2, that is the length of a rectangle is 4 times its width. The length of a rectangle is 4 times its width. Now I am drawing a rectangle for you here. Now this is the rectangle. Why this is a rectangle? Because the rectangle has always its opposite sides equal. This side will be equal to this side, and this side will be equal to this side. It means that opposite sides are always equal. This is the characteristic of a rectangle. Now in this rectangle, this dimension is called as width or breadth of the rectangle. Now here I suppose here, let width of rectangle is equal to x and length of rectangle is equal to y. This is the length of rectangle. This dimension is called length, that is equal to y. Now pay attention towards this point or concept, the length of a rectangle. What you suppose as length of a rectangle, that's equal to y. Now y is the length of a rectangle, is 4 times its width, and width is equal to x. So very first equation that I formed is y is equal to 4x. It means that length is equal to 4 times its width, because I suppose length as y and width as is equal to x. Moving this 4x on the left hand side, it will give you minus 4x plus y is equal to 0, and I formed a very first linear equation. Now in the second part of this problem, the perimeter of the rectangle is 150 centimeter. So perimeter of the rectangle, the perimeter of the formula for the perimeter of a rectangle is 2 into length plus width is equal to perimeter, and perimeter is given here in this problem is 150 centimeter. Now I suppose length is equal to y and width is equal to x. So length plus width, twice of length plus width is equal to 150. That's called the perimeter. Now divide by 2 on both sides. If I divide 2 on this left hand side, 2 will be cancelled by this. 2 7s are 14 and 2 5s are 10. So x plus y is equal to 75. So I formed another linear equation and named it as equal to 2. My very first equation was minus 4x plus y is equal to 0, and x plus y is equal to 75. In my previous videos, I already taught you how to transform these linear equations into a matrix form. Now after now from now on till I now calculate here that the value of x is equal to 15 and y is equal to 16. Now I suppose width of rectangle as x, so width of rectangle x is equal to 15 centimeter, and I suppose length of rectangle is equal to y, and that is the length of a rectangle y is equal to 60 centimeter. Using this now these equations can also be these two equations. Now once you have to solve these two equations with the help of a matrix inversion method, and in the second part you are also bound to solve these questions with the help of grammar rule. So end of my today's video, that is part 1, and I'll wait for my second video, that is part 2.